Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Google Password Manager on a PC in 2026. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. From the left sidebar, click Autofill and Passwords, and then open Google Password Manager. To set up Google Password Manager, click Settings from the left side. Turn on Offer to save passwords. This allows Chrome to ask whether you want to save passwords when you sign in to a website. Next, enable Auto Sign-In. This feature automatically signs you in to supported websites using your saved passwords. Now go back to the Passwords page. Click the Add button to save a new password manually. Enter the website address, your username, and your password, then click Save. You can also save passwords automatically by signing in to a website. When Chrome asks if you want to save the password, click Save. To make sure everything is working correctly, click Check Passwords in the Password Checkup section. Google will scan your saved passwords and alert you if any passwords are weak, reused, or compromised. For better security, always use strong and unique passwords for each website and keep Password Checkup enabled. That's it. You have successfully set up Google Password Manager on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.